If you ever needed to connect your Magic Mouse to iPad, then this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to connect your Apple Magic Mouse to iPad. In order to connect your Apple Magic Mouse to iPad, what you have to do is you have to first of all turn around the Magic Mouse and activate the Bluetooth. To turn on Bluetooth on your Magic Mouse, you have to slide this toggle like this, and when the green shows here, that means the Bluetooth connectivity is turned on for the Apple Magic Mouse. And after that, you should see the Apple Magic Mouse inside your iPad. For that, you have to first of all activate Bluetooth on the iPad. So just go to settings and then you have to go to Bluetooth. So just ensure that this is toggled on. In case this is disabled, then you have to toggle it on. And once you toggle it on, you should see the Bluetooth device here available for connection. And that is the Magic Mouse we are trying to connect. So once you see the Magic Mouse here next to other devices, then you have to tap on that. And when you tap on that, this should be connected to your iPad. And as you can see here, the Magic Mouse is connected. You can see connected here next to Magic Mouse. That means this is connected. And if we just move it, you can see the pointer here on the iPad. That means we have successfully connected the Magic Mouse on this iPad. And just in case, if you can't see the Magic Mouse that you're trying to connect inside Bluetooth options here available for connect, then there may be chances that you have previously connected your Magic Mouse to any other device and that might have been in connection with that device. So in order to reset connection and connect it to the new device, that is iPad, you have to connect it with a cable. So just plug in the cable that you have got for your iPad or Apple Magic Mouse, and after that the device will be paired on the iPad. Here I have got the cable, so I'll insert the cable here. One end of the cable should go into the Magic Mouse and another end should go next to iPad's port. And before I insert the cable inside the iPad's port, let me first disconnect this. So I have just disconnected and forward the device from this iPad, and next I'll insert the cable inside the iPad's port. And once inserted, just eject the cable, and after that you'll be able to pair the mouse. As you can see, the mouse is available here now for pairing, so we will simply tap on it and then it will be connected. So this way you may connect Apple Magic Mouse to your iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to connect any Bluetooth keyboard to your iPad, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.